If you don't use these 4 AI job search strategies in 2024, you are completely failing yourself. Hey, what's up? My name is Courtney, and I'm the founder and career coach at careersuccessnow.com, where we help our clients go from stuck to becoming the CEO of their career. And yes, this often means landing a great 6-figure role. So if you haven't already, go check out our website, and it shows you how we can help you today, from resume packages, LinkedIn branding, career search strategies, and more. So go check out our website. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the 4 best ways to use AI in your job search, along with some good to-dos and not to-dos. And by the way, I want to preface this video by saying AI should supplement your job search strategies. It should not run your job search strategies, and you should not rely on it either. Why? Because at the end of the day, humans still hire humans. So don't get that wrong, and don't completely lean on it. Okay, so strategy number 1, resume optimization. And you'll notice I said optimization, not writing. Why? Because you can use ChatGPT and other AI sources to help you bring out the keywords that are commonly searched for in your industry. But at the same time, we don't want it to completely write your resume. AI is a great tool to help you pass the applicant tracking system, the ATS that everyone talks about. And that's essentially a tool that employers use to help sort through the hundreds or thousands of resumes and applications that they get every single day to prioritize what are the top resumes they should reach out to. So that means, yes, you can use AI to help supplement your resume writing. So number 1, you can use ChatGPT to help bring out the keywords and skills that certain job postings or industries are looking for. And you can commonly just go do this by making sure you have a Word document of your resume, copying and pasting it into ChatGPT, and then asking it using a prompt to actually have it compare your resume to certain job postings that you paste into ChatGPT as well. And be sure to ask it to actually identify the keywords and the common technical and interpersonal skills that posting is looking for. Another AI tool is JobScan, where you can actually create a free or paid account, and you can take your resume and compare it side by side using their algorithm to scan your resume and the job posting and see how compatible it is. In other words, the goal is actually to get 70% or more for that specific posting so that you can be matched up and again pass or fly by that applicant tracking system, because this is much better than putting in fake keywords that you are just simply blending into the background of a resume or making white words on a paper. This is inauthentic, can be lying, and is just not recommended. Using other tools to actually scan and do the work for you is much better. Strategy number 2 to help you use AI to land your next great career role is using it for job matching platforms. What I mean by this is there are 2 great tools that actually help you do the heavy lifting when it comes to searching for those next great career roles that you're qualified for. So number 1, LinkedIn has AI baked into it that will allow you to get notifications sent right to you on the best matching jobs for you. So once you've actually put in your qualifications into a LinkedIn profile and start searching for ideal jobs that you're interested in, then the algorithm will actually send you roles that you're qualified for. Another AI tool to help you with endless scrolling of job postings is kickresume.com. What this does is it matches you up with the thousands of roles online for the roles that you're qualified for. Inserting your qualifications, your education, experience, and skills, it's going to then send you notifications of the great roles online instead of having to every single day log in and search yourself. The third way that you can use AI to help you in your job search today is by using it for LinkedIn branding and networking. So AI has advanced so much that it can actually help you turn a regular headshot into a very professional looking headshot. And of course, with LinkedIn being the #1 professional networking site, it's super important to have a professional looking photo up on your profile so that when recruiters or hiring managers or other professionals just land on your site, they look at you as that professional you are. So with that being said, there are a lot of apps out there or websites that can help you turn a regular looking photo into a very professional looking one. Here's a list of some. I will also put the list in the description below, so make sure you go check this out. Portrait Pro, Luminar AI, BeFunky, Face App, and Rimini are some great ones that you can go check out today. You can also use AI for networking. As you should know, networking is the best way to find a great career role because 80% of them are not even posted on the job boards. And not only that, again, when people hire people, then meaningful connections and personalized messages really help you build those relationships so that you can land that next career role sooner rather than later. So what this means on LinkedIn is they actually now have a feature in their premium version of LinkedIn. So yes, you have to be able to use premium, but when a hiring manager is listed on the actual job posting itself, then you are able to click message and there is a little button that says AI message. So it will actually generate a automatic written message for you to reach out to that hiring manager. So it will give you suggested wording, and of course you can personalize it yourself, but this is a great way to go directly to the hiring manager because I will tell you firsthand, being in HR and recruitment, that when somebody personally reaches out to me, then yes, I am way more likely to look at their resume first, way before the other 300 to 500 people that have just applied online. And of course, biggest caveat is make sure you're polite, you're kind, you're very friendly with that message. And you can follow up, but don't continuously follow up 3 to 5 or 10 times. That is just annoying more than anything, but it is very good when you send a personalized note that is friendly and catches the eye of that recruiting manager. Strategy number 4, using AI for your interview preparation. Yes, we have come that far in technology where you can actually use a tool to sit across from your computer and give answers to what you would actually give in an interview, and that software will give you suggestions and tips. So yes, a tool like Google Interview Warm-Up, which I'll put the link in the notes below, but it will allow you to turn on your camera and actually give a simulated interview, and they will give you suggestions on the common questions and answers that they ask you. Using tools like this will allow you to feel more confident and prepared, because the more you prepare and the more you can calm your nerves, then the better your interview will ultimately be. And a big don't here though is don't rely on these tools to give you 100% of the tips that you could be getting through an interview coach. These tools do not help you determine your value that you bring to employers, and this is super important to know before you go into any interview. Because when you've done the work and you know your value, your skills, your accomplishments, then interviews get way easier. There's a natural confidence that comes out in interviews when you've done the deep work first with an interview coach. Okay, I hope this helps. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out our website on how we can help you today. We'll see you in the next video.